The particle's velocity interactive calculator solves kinematic equations for motion with constant acceleration. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options: Calculate Final Velocity, Calculate Initial Velocity, Calculate Displacement, Calculate Acceleration, Calculate Time, and Calculate Final Velocity with no time. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Final Velocity. Below that, we have 5 input fields: Initial velocity v0, final velocity v, acceleration a, time t, and displacement delta x. For our worked example, I'll enter an initial velocity of 15 meters per second, acceleration of 2.5 meters per second squared, and time of 3.5 seconds. When I click Calculate, the calculator determines the final velocity using the kinematic equation. The primary result shows the calculated final velocity value. The additional results section displays related calculations, including the displacement over that time period, verifying the motion parameters are consistent. This helps engineers validate their motion calculations and check whether their input values produce physically reasonable results. This calculator streamlines kinematic analysis for any constant acceleration scenario. Find the link in the description below.